HUAWEI Y6 Prime, and let me show you how to add here the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you need to find and select settings, choose here the security and privacy. Here let's tap fingerprint ID and let's tap fingerprint management. So now before you add the fingerprint, you need to set up some backup method. It could be pattern, pin or password. In my case, let me use pattern. Let's draw my unlock pattern. Let's do it again just for confirmation. Tap done, and that's it. Now you can add the fingerprint. So let me choose new fingerprint. Then you need to enroll the sensor. The fingerprint sensor is located right here at the back of the device. Let's just start tapping the sensor a couple of times just to save the whole fingerprint. Alright, as you can see, fingerprint successfully enrolled. Tap OK, and now you can leave the default settings. You may simply now press power key to lock your device, and here you can unlock it by using the pattern, or you may also accomplish that by using the fingerprint. That's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.